Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign up for Grammarly. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now let's get started. Firstly, open up any web browser on your PC and there search for grammarly.com, or if you have app on your desktop, open up the app and there tap on sign up for free button and it will directly take into its sign up page. Now there, if you already have an account, you have to tap on I have an account and there you have to type in your email address and then the password of your account and get logged into your account. But in the case if you're new to this Grammarly and you want to sign up, then you have to type in your email address and then you have to create 8 characters long password and then you have to create a name for your Grammarly. Now if you want to sign up with Google, Facebook or Apple, you have these options here. Now if you want to sign up for the Grammarly using your email address, then fill in these boxes. Now if you want to double check your password, you can tap on this eye icon to reveal and confirm your password. Now once you're done with filling all the details required, tap on agree and sign up button. Now you have to enter the 6-digit verification code that has been sent to the email address that you have typed in. Now once you get the verification code, copy this code and then paste that code here and then tap on open Grammarly button. And there you go, Grammarly has been opened up on your desktop. Now that's all it takes to create your Grammarly account. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.